Hello, everyone. Hope you had a good rest today, and I look forward to spending a wonderful day together. You almost killed me, Monica, with the video, but so I'll try and do my best. Today, I will talk about patient registries, and especially we discussed a bit of that yesterday, but especially pulling on what Monica was just referring to. When we reach out to parents. Just as Monica tells Eleanor, I am here, we have to tell that same story to other parents. It's unbelievable how many moms and dads we have came across during this year where they were literally crushed and had no hope for better treatments for their children. So other than besides helping our children and trying to fight for them, we are also trying to encourage these parents to regain hope and to come join us and work together with us. So, as Monica said, what we have been doing during the past year is holding a 1-hour interview with each of the parents that reach to us, where we hear their story and try to bring up that light of hope in their hearts that may, again, give them the hope to fill in those surveys, respond those questionnaires, and do everything that we are going to ask them to do later on. As we talked yesterday, and I don't want to bore those who were here listening to my presentation, we also rely on Matrix and Citizen for data collection, which have been crucial in our journey. And during this year, we have onboarded 190 patients. It has been a roller coaster of emotion and of information going and coming from these patients and to you, and we hope that during the next year we can beat ourselves and get even more patients to onboard our community. As I was preparing for this talk, I don't want to keep it very long because you have lots to talk about. I came across Monica's leaflet that Sarah and her printed before the inaugural conference last year. And as I was going through the plan, we realized that we have been able to tick every item in the list. So I will leave it here for you to pass it around, and I think that we need to be very proud that we set ourselves to set up a biorepository, a scientific advisory board, a patient registry to collect data, and we have been able to do all of that in less than a year. So I hope you give it a look, and that during today we are able to set up new objectives that I hope that I can come back next year and tell you that we have been able to tick them off our list as we keep on working together to find a cure or better treatments for our children. So thank you all, and with no greater delay, I will leave the floor to Sarah, who will lead us with the discussion today. Many thanks.